Hi everyone, good evening, good evening. It's Good Friday and I have been at work all day, the joys of nursing, but I thought I'd just come on and do a little play, have a little chit chat, see what everyone else is up to. I'm going to put some primer on and people always ask me, tiny amount, people always ask me, why do I prime? Well, it is simple. I prime to minimise my pores. I prime to control my dry skin. I prime to give my face a more flawless base to start with. I prime because it helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It is literally the most amazing tool in this business. You will not regret ever investing in a decent primer. It makes your skin silky soft and it means that your makeup will last longer, and it means that you're, hi Lou, how are you? Have you had a good day? What have you been up to? It means that your makeup will stay on longer, it means it will last longer, and it means you will buy less, which means it's better value for money. So this is an investment. So I'm going to leave that for 5 minutes, and while I do that, I'm going to have a play with my eyes. Now, I thought I'd do all pinky and stuff, so I'm probably going to go between, let me find palette 6. So I think I'm going to go between the Beloved number 2, which is this one, and palette 6, which is this one. Now, I'm using all Younique products tonight because I love them. So I'm gonna just do my brows while my primer is priming. Gardening, oh don't, do you know, I can't wait to move into a new house so that I can get properly gardening. It's been such a lovely day, such a lovely day. So what is everyone else up to? I have some very exciting news. Very exciting news. I have decided, in my wisdom, to take what I love the most about everything in life, and I am going to take it bigger and I'm going to share it with the world. I am going to start my own YouTube channel. Yes, I am. And that YouTube channel is called That Scottish Bird. So you are speaking to that Scottish bird, so say hello. You can also see me. I know, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. You can also find me on Instagram as well. It is beyond exciting. So just remember, ladies, you see me first. That Scottish bird. I'm so excited, literally so excited. So I will be launching that very, very soon. But for now, I'm just going to sit here and enjoy doing my makeup, because that's what I love doing. One of the most things of my pastimes ever. That, and of course, running and running around after my kids, drinking coffee, drinking wine, catching up with friends. If you do not do your brows, honestly, if you do not do your brows, you're missing a trick. You are missing a trick. God, it's warm tonight. So I'm now going to take some concealer to kick-start the bases of my eyes. I'm taking organza tonight because I feel like mixing up a little bit. And I know it's so exciting, isn't it? I'm trying not to get too excited, but I can't help it because the world needs to see me. They need to see more of me. I've lost my rose water, my blending bud, and we're going to just take some concealer and we're going to just pat it along the eyelid. Now, anyone who knows me knows I am not a makeup artist. I am just someone who loves makeup. And then we're just going to go under the eye as well. And we're just going to use this as a base to start our makeup on our eyes. Now, it kind of acts like a bit of a primer as well. Even though I've got eye primer on, I really like this. I like the feel of it because I have hooded eyes. So if anyone else has hooded eyes, then you should always try and lighten them first, especially at the base and the lids, and then you can then build in your dark around it, or your crease, or whatever it is that you're doing. So for me tonight, I'm just going to do a nice shimmery pink, I think, and maybe a bright lip. I haven't decided. I'll kind of play it by ear. So I'm just putting that on now. I've still got loads left. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start on our eyes. So I'm going to take Doting, which is a pure white shade. And I'm going to take it with my... Hi, Julie. How are you? Hi, Kate. How are you? What have you been up to today? What has the weather been like near you? I'm just taking my blending brush and we're putting this across the whole of the eyelid because it's a white matte. What have you been up to today, Kate? What about you, Julie? Have you been working? I was working today. The joys of nursing. But it's okay. It's all right. We got to save some lives, so that's pretty cool. Now, I'm gonna take some Irreplaceable, which is this colour and this colour. I think we're probably gonna end up using more of this palette tonight. Hi, Linda, how are you? What have you been up to? Now, I'm gonna take this brush, and I love it. This is the fluffy crease brush, and we're just gonna take a little bit of Wistful, which is this colour here, and we're just going to go on the outer crease very, very gently and up. We want to keep the lid light, and that is the key with hooded eyes, is keeping it light. So I'm not going crazy tonight. I am just sitting here relaxing. I've been at work for the last 2 days. Kids are now in bed. I think the sea is still up, but the kids are in bed. Byron's in bed, so that's what matters. And I thought, right, I'm going to come on, have a little play, and then I'm going to sit and have a glass of wine and relax because it's Good Friday and I deserve it. Now, we'll do the same to this eye. This is like a mauvey purpley colour. It's really warm tonight. Does anybody else? I can't use that. That's a magnifying mirror. You can't use it. I'm like, ah. Does anyone else think it's really warm tonight? Maybe it's because I've been in air conditioning all day. So we're just going to pull this up slightly, up into the lid, and then into the brow bone. And bear in mind, see when you're doing your eyes, be really, really, really soft. Hi, Lisa, how are you? What have you been up to? Hi, Sophie, how are you? Have you been off today? Who's been at work and who's been off? I had the pleasure of work, but actually, we had a really good day at work. I work with a really good team, and we had a bit of a giggle even though we were saving lives, so that is pretty cool. I can't really wish for more, to be honest, with the team that I work with. Now, I'm going to take some Irreplaceable, which is this one here, and I'm going to just use... the brush I'm looking for. This one. This angled brush I'm going to use. And we're going to do like a triangle in the corner of the eye. And then here as well. Can you see? And do it again. And then we're going to literally take our crease brush, which is this one. Actually, we'll use this one because it's got colour on it. We'll use this one, and we're just going to blend that in. We may need to add some more, but that's okay. Just to give it a little bit more colour in the corners. So we're just going to add a little bit more. And we're going to build it. Always build your shadows, because there's nothing worse than trying to take some off when you've put too much on. underneath as well. God, I love that colour. That is irreplaceable. It's so pretty, and you can get this palette. This is the Moodstruck Beloved Palette 2, Volume 2. Volume 2, and it's infused with primer. It's so pretty, and you can still get it. Mom, not long. Okay, I'll be there in about 10 minutes, okay? I said to Lucia before I came on live, do you want me to tuck you in now, or do you want me to go live first? She said, oh no, go live first, Mummy. Then I'm literally just on. She's like, Mum, I want you to tuck me in. So she can lie and read a book for 10 minutes. Do her good. She's exhausted, the wee soul. And they've got their first sleepover tomorrow night. They are so excited. Like, beyond excited. Oh, these colours are just insane. So I wasn't going to do a bright colour, but now I'm like, yeah, bring it on. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our fluffy crease brush, and we're just going to blend this. Blending is key, ladies. If you don't blend, you'll end up with a really, really sharp finish. Just blend it over. I'm being really, really light on the old hand. Like I could do it with my left hand, that's how light I'm doing it. Right. Now, that I love. I love. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out of palette number 6, I'm going to take this shimmery colour, which is so pretty. And I'm going to take one of my crease brushes, and I'm just going to dampen it with a little bit of rose water. And I'm taking, it's a colour called Delightful, and it is like Shimmer Central. Just going to get some on my brush. Now with these colours, I've realised that you want to just gently pat it on. Sometimes you need to use your finger, depends. But you don't want to put too much on, and you want it just to be in the middle so that the light hits it. It's such a gorgeous colour, and it's so, so, so shimmery. And what I've realised, you just want to pat it in. And then what I'm going to do is just take my ring finger and get it right onto that lid. See how it's just in the middle? And that's why I do my eyes first, because if there's any fallout, I can clean it up easily. So we'll just get rid of some of that. Then what I'm going to do is with my concealer that I've got left, I'm going to actually put some more on the inside of my lid. Not the inside of my eyelids, to clean them up a little bit. Let me just find my brush. Here it is, my concealer brush. Oh, love it. And then we're just going to put some of this on the inside here to allow us to put a lighter colour on and clean up our eyes. And at the same time, I'm literally cleaning up my brows with my concealer brush. Like this. Hi Anne, how are you? Were you working today? What's the weather like up in North Norfolk? It's lovely here in Norwich. We had tea outside tonight. It was like so, so pretty. We had tea all together. It was a lovely treat. All being together outside. Now can you see the difference with my eyes now? I know it looks a bit crazy, but bear with me. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some more of this Doting, which is this white colour, and we're going to put it over the concealer. To lift the eye, to make me look more awake. Now, as you'll notice, I'm patting in, like not scraping it over, because then your eye makeup will just run. into each other. And that's not the plan, Stan. That's not the plan. And take a little bit up here, just to lift the brow. Just to lift the brow. There we go. Now, what we're going to do now is we're just going to clean up the rest of our face. So I'm going to just take my blending bud. And then we're going to just start. Now I'm going to use our stick foundation tonight, which is a full coverage, and it's really quick and simple to use. So this colour is Lace, and it's so easy to use. Okay? So easy to use and so effective. It finishes too like a dewy kind of colour. Now I'm using my kabuki brush, and I'm literally just blending this in. Really, really, really gently. I'm just going to move the comments out the way so that I'll answer any questions at the end. Now this is just divine. Now I've got a pre-order list at the moment for this full coverage foundation stick. Oh, who's banging me? Forgot I've got my laptop on as well. And then we're going to take some highlighter as well, obviously, at the end. Blusher and bronzer, and just cleaning this all up. Take a little bit more. I love it. It's so easy to use. Quick and simple. Anyone can do it. You can chuck it in your handbag and go. And that's what I love about this. It's for the easy user, person who's not very good, who just wants something quick and simple. This is for you. God, it's hot in here. Just going to put my hair up out the way. Roasting tonight. Whew, warmer than I realised. Just put her hair up out the way. There we go. Right. So back to this. So we're just blending it all in, and then I'm going to take some concealer under these eyes. And then we're going to set it with some powder. Setting is key, ladies. Setting is key. Now, I'm going to take some Scarlet Concealer, which is the lightest of the light. And that's my usual go-to concealer, which is this one. Just a tiny, is it? Yeah. Just a tiny amount. And then what I'm going to do is take my blending bud. And we are just going to add some. I've got glitter on there. We're just going to add some under the eye. Now, if you don't do your concealer under your eyes, rephrase that. If you do your concealer under your eyes, don't just do that, but you need to go right down, because that will blend it. And then up. Then we'll blend all that in. It's such a fab product. I love it. It's one of my best sellers, is the concealer. And it lasts forever. It's such good value for money. Lasts and lasts and lasts and lasts. Look at that. No one would know how tired I am. Right, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my little powder brush, and I'm going to take some, I don't want crepe, I want my powder, Behold powder, setting powder. And what I'm going to do is, it's got a little mesh in it. I'm just taking this end, and I'm going to get in about the creases under my eyes, because yes, ladies, I have them. Get to a certain age and I'm like, oh dear lordy loo. And that will just help set my eyes. The lighting is a bit mental tonight, because I'm still trying to figure it out in here. Can't really dim it, that's the problem. If I go back a bit, it might be a bit better. That's a bit better. It's not great, the lighting is making me look all bright. It's even worse, jeez, oh Vary, come on. Oh God, now you can't even see me at all. Oh, oopsie. Wait a minute. That's better. Right, so you're literally dabbing this in to your creases. Dab, dab, dab. I'll sit back. And then if I go up, right, dab that in. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to finish under our eyes, and then we are going to put some Epic mascara, of course, on. So I'm just going to take some. I'm taking my little eyeliner brush, and we're going to just take some Wistful on that, and we can go along the line, the eye line, along here. Now, thank you. This palette is gorgeous, like really, really, really gorgeous, and really easy to apply. But the finish is lovely. It really is lovely. Right, now, be prepared to be amazed, because I am going to show you the most amazing Epic mascara in the world. But first I'm going to put on some bronzer. Now, because my face is bare at the moment. I've got my base on, but I need more. Let me just see what's going on here. Live video. Can't see the comments. Do you know what? I'm trying to touch the iPad. The iPad, it's not an iPad. I'm trying to touch the screen. What a fool. Right. Oh God, I did make myself laugh. Right, up in the hairline. Do, do, do. Oh, I love this bronzer. It's so good. I sometimes just use it as an eyeshadow. It's that good. And then we're going to take some Sisterly to match my eyes. This comes in the Presenter's Kit, by the way. This one. And we're just going along the cheek and dabbing it, getting it right in about. Because that's the only way your makeup's going to stay on, is by getting it right in, pressing it in. Now, I'm going to take some Epic mascara. Now, let me just make sure I get the right one. This little bad boy. Be prepared to be amazed at this. It comes in black, it comes in brown, and it comes in waterproof. And tonight, I am using the black, okay? So, are you, what happened to my hair? Are you ready to be amazed? Why does my hair always annoy me at times? Right, so this mascara is one of the best mascaras ever. People ask me why do I love it so much. And it's, it's simple. It's easy to use, it's one step, doesn't clump, and it makes my lashes look shamazing. Like, I've got no lashes right now, okay? Watch this. It is the best mascara in the world. It is a one step, no fibres, no falsies mascara. And I can wear it all day and it doesn't clump. It doesn't give me panda eyes. And it just gives me length and lift. Who doesn't want length and lift in their mascara? It's unbelievable. It's so amazing. So amazing. Can you hear the birds? I've got the back door open. Wait, you see this? Wait till you see this, look. Can you hear the birds? I'm going to miss that when we move. Hopefully we'll still have. Got a lot of trees around our new house, so I'm hoping we'll still get a lot of birds. Much to the cat's enjoyment. Hence she's got a bell on her blooming collar.
You can do it now.
I know. Look at that. That's one coat of Epic. That stuff is the bomb. Like, it's just so good. And I've got sensitive eyes, ladies, so honestly, please do not ever worry about ordering these products. Everything comes with a 14-day love it guarantee anyway, which is fabulous. But if you have a reaction, then we can sort that as well. not a problem. I am here to help you. I'm here to make sure that you get the best products for you. That's the best bit about doing this, is helping others. Now, this is a one-step mascara. Look at that. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look. Let's do the other side. I just love it. I literally love this mascara so much. And then we're going to put on a little bit of highlighter. Then we're going to set our makeup with a little bit of rose water or setting spray, whichever preference for you. I like the rose water at the moment because it's got like an like redness in it as well, so it kind of protects my skin and prevents it from becoming red and irritated, especially with the change of weather because it's getting warmer. Every time the seasons change, my skin suffers, but since I've been using our Younique skincare range, my skin has been so much better. Now, look at this. I just love it. Put the comments back up. There we go. I absolutely adore this mascara. I adore it. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Now, I just love it. Love, love, love. Now, let's get a lippy on. I'm thinking I might go hot pink tonight. Now, I'm going to take hot pink and I'm going to use Perky. Perky pencil. Now, always line your lips, ladies. Especially if you're using a bright colour. Hi Maggie, how are you? Oh my god, I've just checked us in on holiday. I got an email from them saying, you need to check in now. I was like, okay, you don't have to ask me twice. What are you doing tonight? Right.
Mommy, what time's Daddy coming?
I don't know, darling. He's gone to watch the football. Right, this is a hot pink, gorgeous colour that will brighten any face. Are you ready for Stately, I think it's called? Superb. It is superb. Look. And this is a
So pretty.
matte liquid lipstick. That will stay on for hours. They're called Splash. I'm just going to move the comments so I can see it. What do you think? I know I'm feeling better because I'm starting to wear bright colours again on my lips. And I never thought I ever would again. And now I'm like, yes, love it. Right, now what I'm going to do is I am going to take some highlighter. So we're going to take iridescent because that will complement this look because it is a pristine white colour. Let me just find it. Iridescent. Now this is gorgeous. It's a highly pigmented luminizer that is just blows my mind. Every time I use it, blows my mind. Now, get that hair out of the way. My hair's flat because I've just washed it. But I just washed it and left it because it was, I thought, well, it's got to be done. I needed to wash my hair because I've been at work all day. So we're taking it up here, yep.
Will you be done?
To 2 minutes. And then in the inside of the eye. On the nose. And then what we're going to do is take our fan brush and we're going to put some on here. Oh, this highlighter is just to die for. It is so pretty. And that, people, is my look tonight. I'm just going to try and do some with my hair because it is ridiculous tonight. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's because it's just freshly washed. It's needing some of the big volume on. This stuff's brilliant. I love this. I love that dry shampoo. It's brilliant. Right.
Just get that changed.
There we go. Happy days. Makeup done. What do you all think? I'm just going to check that I'm happy with it. I'm just going to look in my other mirror in this one. Just want to blend that a little bit more in the eye. And then I am done. Look at that. I'm going to go and take some pictures and let you know of all the products that I've used tonight. What do you think? I need to do some of my hair though. It really is ridiculous. Wait a minute. Do something with it. Put it that way. Put it that way round.
It looks nice.
Do you, darling? It's a bit beachy like, but never mind. A bit crazy here at the moment. It's getting done on Wednesday, thank goodness. Thank goodness it's getting done on Wednesday. There we go. Makeup is done. Pretty in pink for Good Friday. Thanks for watching. Speak to you later. Bye.